Okay, so I've just created this picture that I called Harvest, and I want to put the brushes that I used into another library. Well, put copies of it. So I'm going to tap up here on the picture of the brush, and I'm going to tap on the words PROcreate Library, and say back to the libraries, and then I can click on this plus sign right up here, and say Create New Library. Let's give this a nice title, Used Brushes. Or Brushes Used. I like Brushes Used better. And we're going to apply that. Then up here at the top, we have Brushes Used. I'm going to tap where it says Untitled Set. It's a long tap. I'm going to say Rename. And I'm going to rename this to Harvest Corn. And we will apply that. And it changes the name there. Then you can either tap on this and choose back to the libraries, or you can pinch over here on this side. It does the same thing. We're going to go to my PROcreate library, which is where my first brush is. Tap into it. And I use the Lorikeet brush to make those striations on the leaves here. I'm going to slide it to the left. I'm going to say duplicate. And that creates Lorikeet 2. Now, using my fingers, I'm going to take this, move it down a little bit, it starts moving. I can either type up here at PROcreate Library and do that, or I can pinch down over here, which is what I do. I scroll all the way up to where it says Brushes Used. I'm in Harvest Corn. I'm going to drop that right there. Pinch down, and let me see. Under Legacy Brushes, Inking, I use the Studio Pen. I actually created Studio Pen 1, and I changed the stabilization factor on this to be something that I like. So I'm going to take that, pinch down, go back to Brushes Used. There's Studio Pen 1. And let's see if I can remember. I did the organic swordgrass. We duplicate that and move it in. And I did under inking, elements, artistic, calligraphy, airbrushing, yes. Under airbrushing, I had created a hard brush. I'm going to duplicate that, becomes hard 3 because I already had hard 2. And we're going to move that in there. That's what I used to make the little highlights on these kernels. So there we go. I have the 4 brushes that I use for the Harvest Corn. And it's all here in my Brushes Used library. I've got copies of each brush. I've got the name of the picture, and I've got a list of the brushes. I hope that helps you out, and I hope you have a wonderful day.